Hi everyone. Today on my workbench I have Brian's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. Brian sent this to me because he was having problems with it not driving the auger. I actually found three issues with that, which I resolved, and now it's fully functional again. So I'm ready to go through my final test procedure. So I'll go ahead and turn it on next, and what will happen is when I go to the on position, I anticipate that my combustion fan and my room convection fan, the one marked in red, will come on. The one in red will come on because on my test fixture I do not have the proof of fire switch, so it should come on automatically. So let me go ahead and do that, and we'll watch the lights as they come on. And I switched it over to the first position, to the on, and there we go. We've got our combustion fan and our room fan. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the high fan switch. Over here I'm in the low position. So when I go to high, we should see the red indicated light go brighter. And there it is, it's brighter. The next thing to do is the auger feed. I can move the auger feed button up, and that will cause the light with the yellow indicator to come on. And as I release, push, release, push, release. So that means all those functions are working correctly. The next thing I'm going to do now is go to automatic mode, and I do that by pressing the auger switch. When I press the auger switch, nothing should initially happen. I'm still on low, but the little green light above it will come on, and after about 30 seconds or so, that green light, which is indicating that the controller is driving the auger, will come on. So let me go ahead and press that, and we'll watch the green light come on. There it is, the green LED is on. Nothing has changed on my motor drives. So let's just wait for that a little bit. Like I said, that'll take about 30 seconds. So just for a note, if this light does not come on your controller, you need to check your exhaust fan or the low pressure switch on your furnace, because if the exhaust fan is not running, it won't activate the low pressure switch, and that will prevent the light from coming on. Also, if your low pressure switch is not working, then that will not allow the auger light to come on. So there it is. We've got our green light, and the light bulb for the auger motor came on at the same time. So we'll wait another cycle for that, and then we'll go to the high mode, or to the C mode, since on this controller, the high mode, the motor stays on all the time, the auger motor. There it is. So there's my auger drive signal, and the auger is being driven. So let me switch over to the C position, BC, and that made our room fan brighter. What it will do is it will make the auger run much longer as well, with a shorter off time. So let's just wait for that to happen. There it is. There's the auger on, and we see it's on for a little bit longer, and we'll just wait for it to go off real quick here. So that's a really slow spinning auger on your furnace, so leaving it on longer. There it is. So the controller is able to do that. That's a slow spinning auger on your furnace, so the controller needs to be on longer. So there it is, Brian. I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller. I'm going to turn it off now. Sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate it very much. And be sure to let me know if you have any sorts of issues or you need guidance installing it. Thanks. Bye-bye.